In this module, we are going to discuss about ScrollView, Date and TimePicker in Android. My name is Renz Thomas. My roll number 18UPC 148. Firstly, we discuss about ScrollView. In Android, ScrollView is a kind of layout which is useful to add a vertical or a horizontal scroll bars to the content which is larger than actual size of layouts, such as linear layout, relative layout, frame layout. Generally, the Android scroll view is useful when we have content that does not fit to our app layout screen. Basically, there are two types of scroll view: a vertical scroll view for scrolling vertically, and a horizontal scroll view for scrolling horizontally. Firstly, discuss about the vertical scroll view. The Android.widget.scrollView class provides the functionality of scroll view. Scroll view is used to scroll the child elements of a palette inside scroll view. Android supports vertical scroll view as default scroll view. Vertical scroll view scrolls elements vertically, which means that we can scroll items or contents from top to bottom. Android uses horizontal scroll view for supporting horizontal scrolling. The tag used for vertical scroll view or basically default scroll view is simply scroll view, and we can define the attributes within that. The two mandatory attributes are layout width and layout height. It can be fill parent, wrap content, or mask parent. And also we can set ID for the scroll view using the ID attribute. Nextly, we discuss about the horizontal scroll view. The horizontal scroll view is a frame layout. The Android.widget.horizontal scroll view class provides the functionality of a horizontal scroll view. Horizontal scroll view is used to scroll the child elements or views in a horizontal direction, that is from left to right. Horizontal scroll view also supports horizontal scrolling. For vertical scroll, Android uses scroll view, but for horizontal scroll, we need to use horizontal scroll view tag. And we also, the attributes are same for both horizontal and vertical scrolling. We can also set ID for the horizontal scroll view tag. This is the hierarchy of a scroll view, where java.lang.object is the topmost class. Within that, view is the subclass, and view group is the second subclass, and frame layout is the main class of the scroll view. And within the frame layout, we have the subclasses scroll view, which is Android.widget.scrollView. Nextly, we discuss about DatePicker. DatePicker is a widget used to select a date. It allows to select date by day, month, and year in your custom UI user interface. The given thing is the tag of a DatePicker. We can set ID for the DatePicker tag, and also we can have the two basic mandatory tags for that: layout width and layout height. What are the attributes of a DatePicker? These are the following. Some of the following attributes of DatePicker. The most important attribute is ID. ID is an attribute used to uniquely identify a DatePicker. And next is DatePicker mode. This attribute is used to set the DatePicker in mode either spinner or calendar. Default mode is a calendar, but this mode is not used after API level 21. So from API level 21, you have to set the mode to spinner, which means that you can spin the date and select your appropriate date for your app. Background. Background attribute is used to set background of a DatePicker. We can set a color or a drawable image in the background. Padding. Padding attribute is used to set the padding from left, right, top, or bottom for a DatePicker. Padding right, padding left, padding top, padding bottom, and simply padding are the following attributes of padding. Firstly, what is padding right? It sets the padding from right side of a DatePicker. Padding left sets the padding from left side of the DatePicker, and similarly for padding top and padding bottom. What is padding? Sets the padding from all sides of the DatePicker. We can set all the right, left, top, bottom of the padding simply using padding attribute. What is TimePicker? TimePicker is a widget used for selecting the time of day in either AM or PM mode or 24 hours mode. It displayed time consists of hours, minutes, and clock format. The following is the the tag of a TimePicker. As I said earlier, layout underscore width and layout underscore height are the mandatory attributes. And also for TimePicker, we can set the ID. Here it is symbol TimePicker. It is the ID of this given attribute, TimePicker tag. And also we can have the TimePicker mode, which is spinner. What are the attributes of TimePicker? These are the following some attributes. ID. ID is an attribute used to uniquely identify a TimePicker. It distinguishes one TimePicker from another TimePicker. It's a unique identity. The ID attribute is used for that. The TimePicker mode. TimePicker mode is an attribute of TimePicker used to set the mode either spinner or clock. Background. Background attribute is used to set the background of a TimePicker. We can set a color or a rolled image in the background. We can also set the background color programmatically means in Java class. Padding. As I mentioned in the DatePicker, it's similar to that. We have basically five padding: padding right, padding left, padding top, and padding bottom. And also using the word padding, you can set all the right, left, top, bottom paddings in a single attribute, that is padding. Padding sets the padding from all sides of the DatePicker or TimePicker. The padding is similar to both date and TimePicker. This is all about ScrollView, DatePicker, and TimePicker in Android. Thank you.